Hello guys, my name is Harsh and today's topic of presentation is iris recognition sensor. Now, what is iris recognition sensor? Basically, iris recognition sensor is used to recognize and match human iris to perform certain tasks. So, why it is important? Well, to understand the importance, we need to understand the problem we are facing in the current scenario. Pins and passwords used to complete the transactions are not secure. They can be easily hacked or spoofed. The other thing is why iris is so important is identity theft has been increased tremendously in past few years, which is considered as a huge crime. So, in order to prevent this problem, we need to identify every human uniquely. The question is how? The answer is biometric identification. Now, what is biometric identification? Basically, biometric identification includes three things which are unique in every human body. Fingerprint, DNA, and iris are the three things unique in every human being. However, DNA is more likely used in forensic science, while fingerprints and iris are used in authentication. But iris is considered as more powerful and secure compared to fingerprint. Now let's see how it works. Number one, the camera scans person eyes and produce a digital image for them. Then using Tuckman interrogative differentiation operator algorithm, software attempts to isolate the iris by drawing two circles, one at the inner boundary and other at the outer boundary of the eyes. Later, using Dugman's normalization method, polar coordinates are added to the image which define separate zones of analysis. The patterns of light and dark areas are converted into digital form using Gaussian filter. If the brightness of the area is more than certain amount, it is registered as 1 or else 0. And like the digital code is generated, which is known as iris code. And this code is matched in the database to identify the user. This is similar to fingerprint but more secure. Now let's see where you can use this technology or where you can see this technology in current scenario. Most tech geeks knows that Samsung uses iris scanner in their smartphone S7 to unlock and other smart devices, but it is going to see in more smartphones in near future as this is more secure. Samsung also uses iris scanner to in their Samsung Pay. So user can use Samsung Pay with iris scanner for payment transaction. It is also used in government sector where only authorized person is allowed. The UAE government uses iris scanner on their airport as well as on their seaports, and it scans iris of every person who enters in UAE. There are many other places where iris scanner is in use. Now let's see the key feature of iris scanner. Number 1. The pattern of iris is fixed from the age of 2, which means human iris pattern is never changed. Number 2. The iris scanner can work from 1 centimeter to 1 meter distance, so it is safe for eyes. Number 3. It is hard to spoof compared to fingerprint, one can duplicate fingerprint by glass or plastic. Number 4. As I said, it is more secure than fingerprint. As fingerprint sensor, there are about 40 to 45 points which are matched to identify human finger. And in iris scanner, there are around 200 to 210 points which are matched to identify an iris. The other reason is iris is protected by the cornea of the eye, so it won't be damaged, while on the other hand fingerprints can be damaged. If there is a scratch on our finger, fingerprint sensor won't work. So those are some key features of iris scanner. Now let's jump into the future development of this scanner. Number 1. In future, banks should start adopting this scanner in their ATM system to withdraw cash. User can use their iris to withdraw cash from their ATM. Number two, range of iris can be extended so that it can be used in surveillance to identify people from distance. In recent study, iris scanner can the range of the iris scanner is up to 40 meters. Number three, it can be more secure and accurate in future development. Thank you.